Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today you have 15 questions to answer. You have 15 seconds for each question. Try to answer before the time expires. You can pause the video if you need more time. Don't forget to post your scores in the comment section. Are you ready? Let's get started. The first question. The correct option is C. To whom should the papers be sent? Question number 2. The correct option is B. What was your trip like? Question number 3. The correct option is A. Whose are all these papers? Question number 4. The correct option is A. Which one of these answers is true? Question number 5. The correct option is D. How do you like your new job? It's very interesting. Question number 6. The correct option is C. Which of you is Mr. Jack? Question number 7. The correct option is B. He asked me whose car I was driving. Question number 8. The correct option is A. What do you like about this job? Question number 9. The correct option is B. Who has their phones with them? Question number 10. The correct option is D. Can you send us the books? To whose address? Question number 11. The correct option is C. Which of you would like to have lunch? Question number 12. The correct option is B. The boys are here. Which one do you want to speak to? Question number 13. The correct option is D. Who teaches you English and Spanish? Question number 14. The correct option is A. Who lives on the second floor? A big family. And the last question. The correct option is D. Who would you rather be, a football player or a manager? Did you enjoy this test? Please comment, like it, and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tests. Thanks for watching, bye bye and see you soon.